GoPro. Do not do anything stupid. Whoa! Almost fell. That first step is a doozy. Montego Bay. So the water is blue, green, you know, Caribbean style. Okay, making sure that door's shut, right? It's all good. Yeah. Of course. No, I know.
It obviously just goes up and down, up and down. Right?
Yeah, I guess you get it over at the crazy beach there. Okay, I'm just giving it some underwater tests. Yeah, so far so good.
Good. Let's get a few shots before we do any more underwater. Make sure it lasts.
Well, I can't be afraid. So here we are. Montego Bay on a rainy day. This is a rainy day in the Caribbean. No rain and lots of sun. Yeah, there's a few clouds, but who cares? You actually need a few clouds. So, I'm trying out GoPro stuff recording.